Hello everyone. So welcome to Vaayusastra Future Scientist Meet chapter number 54. So we have uh, presenter Naman Naitak Sahu, his CTO of Target Space, a student driven startup, so which is researching on a lot of advanced level topics. So today Naman is going to present on this topic, interstellar space, and he's a grade 6 student from Ekya School BTM. And um, so before we start, let me give one brief introduction about Vaayusastra. Vaayusastra is an IIT Madras incubated startup and registered space tutor of ISRO and academic partner of AASSC Aerospace and Aviation Sector Skill Council. With our sole motto is to spread the awareness of aeronautics and aerospace among school children and college students. We use novel methods to teach children. Say we use storytelling method. We use a lot of stories with lot of hands-on models. We have nearly a 12-year curriculum. And keep watching us, do support us. And Naman, over to you.
Thank you, Jagu. It's been way too long. Okay, so I'll quickly start it up. So, hello everyone. My name is Naman, and today I'll be presenting to you interstellar space. So, first of all, if you will always start with the definition. What is interstellar space? Interstellar space is, in simple terms, I'll say, part of the universe outside the solar system. Like it's outside the solar system. If you go beyond solar system, you're basically entering interstellar space. And we know for a fact that the universe is huge, and it is very huge, incredibly huge. And our solar system is definitely not the only one. There are billions of solar systems, probably close to infinite stars, billions of galaxies, and much more. Now, if we were to completely discover interstellar space, it would take centuries, if not thousands of years to explore. And I even doubt that we'll explore it in like 10,000 years. No, it will take much longer. So when did it all start? So it was a few years before the late 1970s. You'd consider the mid 1970s. People would question what was outside the solar system. We had range of in the solar system, but what would be outside? So NASA, well, literally decided to send space probes to what we know as interstellar space. They just threw it there, and that's what we know as Voyager 2, the first one. On August 20, 1977, they set off Voyager 2 to space. And it went through without any difficulty. It went completely fine. 16 days later, Voyager 1 was set off. And no difficulty either. Now, why did 2 come first and not 1? Don't ask me that. I don't know. And in 2018, they reached interstellar space. So it took them that long to get through interstellar space without any control. And they're still giving data about interstellar space. Still. Now, how long will they last for? To be honest, 2 more years, that's it. They run on plutonium, which is a substance that provides a very humongous amount of energy on fission, and it is diminishing in the probes. It is decelerating. It is moving slower and slower because loss of plutonium slowing down for savage, and it will not stop giving data until 2024. When it will send its last bit of data, the control systems will shut down for it, and it will be lost in spaces forever. as just a foreign object. We can agree that voyages are on different tracks. They might be on separate corners of interstellar space, but they will soon diminish before the end of 2024. Now, will more space probes be sent? They are currently sending more. For now, not much. We have more missions in mind, such as our Mars colonization. Thank you, Elon Musk, and many more ideas coming through. But not much about interstellar space. We have 2 probes, actually, more than 5, interstellar, exploring it, and probably on 2026 we will launch more probes. We have no definite idea if they will or not, but for now we'll stick with those 5+ probes, and the next one might be just called Voyager 3 or whatever. So now you might have heard about what we know as the NASA warp drive. What is it? Well, they figured out the blueprints for it, and it is a very fast device. What should I call it? A traveling device? Would that work? Yes. Okay. So NASA successfully built a model of it. The real one hasn't been built. It is way faster than usual. It would take probably less than a day to reach interstellar space compared to those probably 40 years that the Voyagers took. We could go beyond the Voyagers in just a few years. We'd reach the end of till we'll go to Pluto in 12 hours. But for now, it's not possible. I hope we get it before. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.
Wow. So it just bombarded with lot of like adrenaline pumping information.
Yeah. Motivation,
Very
Jagu. We
interesting.
can do
Yeah.
this.
Something like time traveling kind of stuff you stuff you stopped with the NASA's warp drive. Huh? Yes. I've read about
The
it.
warp drive will go faster than light, they are saying. Jagu.
Yes. The concept is something like that. But we are yet to identify what this dark matter is. What is this dark particle? What kind of particle is this dark energy or dark matter? If we can able to find it, then the whole physics will change, I guess. So nice.
Then
So
still more theories will pop up.
yeah, today
So
we have
it won't end.
two.
It won't
Yes.
end.
So we had two interesting topics
topics
today.
exact-
One on quantum physics, one on interstellar space. Both are like yet to be explored.
Imagine
Space.
merging them together
Yeah.
using antimatter for stuff.
Mm,
Jagu, dark matter, we found about that it be, that's all. Anything is easy.
Yeah, that's good. That you guys have to do that.
Only one thing is
Mm. For all the scientists who are doing research are almost already 40, 50 years age. So unless you guys can start
but till
working.
now we can't find about that.
So நீங்க இப்பவே if you guys start, it will be great. So you'll have like 60, 70 more years. All the current people who are doing research are already like into their 50s or 60s.
Something
Please
sells.
got it. Mhm. Good. So thank you, Naman. Thank you, Rakshan. So great research topics today. Well done. So thank you so much. Audience, thank you so much. We'll be coming back with a lot of more and more interesting topics. And see you all on Future Scientist Meet chapter number 55, probably next week. So thank you so much. Keep supporting us. Keep supporting young talents. So these young minds going to be the decision makers of future space industry and taking the humanity to next level. Thank you so much. Jagu Subramanian signing off.